Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to work on Walmart in Pakistan. Walmart increasingly offers remote roles that are accessible to talent worldwide. You can explore a range of positions in technology, e-commerce, or corporate support, all from your location. Begin by visiting Walmart's Global Careers portal and filtering by remote or international opportunities. This is your initial step to connect with potential roles. To succeed in these remote positions, cultivate strong communication abilities. Clear and concise interactions are paramount. Familiarity with various digital platforms, from video calls to collaboration suites, will also be a significant advantage. Additionally, a relevant academic background or several years of specialized experience will significantly enhance your application. Focus on developing these core competencies to stand out. Beyond direct employment, businesses in Pakistan can explore becoming a Walmart supplier. Walmart is continuously seeking new partners for products and services that meet its global quality benchmarks. This path requires a robust business plan, adherence to ethical sourcing, and a commitment to sustainability. Carefully review their supplier requirements and initiate the formal application process online. When applying, customize every document, ensuring your resume and cover letter reflect the job's precise needs. Emphasize any remote work experience you possess and showcase how your skills align perfectly with the role. For interviews, be ready to articulate your problem-solving approaches and demonstrate your enthusiasm for contributing to a global team. Diligence throughout this stage is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.